We are a veteran-owned small business. I started my trade here in the U.S. Army and loved the time that I had with the guys in the field. We do a lot of machining with high-end parts for the military. Quality is number one. It's paramount, it's everything, because people die if you don't do your job right. We have parts that are made to hundreds of thousandths of an inch. The biggest tool that we use in our rust prevention is WD-40 by far, every day. Coating tools, coating machinery, coating vices. I know it's protected. I know. I don't have to worry about it. Because I'm ex-military, I want to see the best for the guys and the gals in the field. It would make me nauseous if we were making something wrong. I know that there's some guy out there and he's just on some fob in the middle of the hill in Afghanistan, and that means a lot to me. A lot to me. It means a lot to my guys, my family. It means a lot. We have to have checks and balances here. If there's no checks and balances, quality can suffer from that. So anything that can help us maintain the machines helps us in our job greatly. My name is Joseph Olivier, and I live life hands-on.